Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Look what I've got here. Today I am sharing a micro album in a box with you all. Cute, 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 cute. So I made the box and the micro album myself, and there will be a tutorial available for you in my shop. Now, how I got this idea is actually a couple of years ago, more at the beginning of my channel. I made this little cutie. So that is the same micro album in a box idea. So a Gatefold micro album in a do-it-yourself box. But I didn't do a tutorial and I have a couple of years more experience now, so I upgraded the page designs. The page designs of that previous little album were quite simple. The pages in this micro album are bit more interactive, but tiny. Everything is so cute, guys. So let me show you this up close. All right, here we go. So let's look up close at the lid. First, starting off with this beautiful metal piece, a clock in bronze colored metal, some flowers, and of course the lovely paper, which is called Rose Fields by 13 Arts. This is a lovely vintage looking paper, very romantic atmosphere. Now here on the sides I worked with some ribbon, so here I just weaved it through the paper, and on the other side I also put it through the paper on both sides and then tied a little bow just for some color accents. This is the back. I wanted the back to be something to look at as well, so that if you put it on your table, that it would be nice to look at from all sides. So here I created a little tag with some liquid bronze, pearl or enamel, how you would call it, to trace around the edges. Then some die cut leaves here from the design paper and little flower. So the back I wanted to be nice as well. And then of course the top. Now we can go all out on the top. Well, you could go all out on all sides of course, but I usually do that on the top. So I added some flowers and some crystal blings, both by Prima Marketing. I love their crystals. Lovely shine. Now the surprise here is when you open the box. So opening it up, and here you can see sort of an explosion box effect. So that is very cute on the one hand, and on the other hand, it also makes this little album here very reachable. So if it were an actual box, well, taking it out would be easy, but putting it in, you always have to do some targeting, etc. So now you can just simply put it on the center and fold the sides around it and then put the lid on. So that is very convenient and also very cute. So a little explosion box effect here, very cutesy. Let's put that aside. And here we have a micro album. It's a Gatefold album. Now I didn't go all out on the decorations here, because if I would have put some flowers here, bulkiness, then my box would have had to be larger, because this is a tight fit and flowers would have asked for a larger box. So you can do that, but just enlarge the measurements of your box and then of course your lid as well. So keeping it flat in my case, this is the back, very cutesy, lovely paper. And let's open it up. So it's a magnetized closure. Now it has 4 page assemblies, and on the inside covers it also has some niceties. And here is a pocket, very simple, with a tag. And I did ink up the back because this is a single-sided paper and I don't like the white usually. You could leave it white and use it as a journaling spot, but you can use this as a journaling spot as well. So either way, I like the colors better than the white, but that is up to you, of course. So the first page assembly, it has a corner pocket here and again a little tag, which again I inked up on the back. And then each page has a side loading pocket here and a top loading pocket here. So there you go, with an enamel dot to give you some grip. I did leave this one blank, mostly to save on the bulk. And here is the side loading pocket with a nice scrap mat. So working with the scraps that I had left over from the paper, which is ideal when you're working on a micro album actually. So there you go. Next pages, so again with the front pocket and the side loading pocket here. Let's start off with those. Look at that lovely paper, guys. And again with an enamel dot here. And then here, there's a swing tab, a metal swing tab, opening these two flaps. I magnetized this one to keep it nice and neat. And there is room for a little wallet size picture, even 3 if you want to. So closing it up. There you go. Next page, again a magnetized closure here for these two little flaps, so cute. I love these micro albums, everything is cute. So there you go, room for a picture or some journaling or some stamping. And then a little envelope here. I die cut that envelope from the design paper, so first I inked it up and used some stickles here to add some extra interest. So some bronze or copper colored distress stickling by Tim Holtz. This is a little journaling tag that fits straight into the envelope. So this is a Crealis die set. So with the little journaling spot here, and I inked that up as well. So I did a lot of inking here because of the single-sidedness of the paper. And again with the top loading tag here and the side loading tag as well. So let's leave it. And you can see that I always coordinate with the colors. I try to make a great match with all of the colors here, so that it is a coordinated whole. Now, a magnetized flap again. And here I had the pattern continue. Closing it up. A little belly band that you see here, so I cut myself a tag. Everything is tiny, and I inked that up as well on the back. So to save on the bulk, I could have matted this onto some cardstock, but I wanted to save on the bulk, so just a piece of design paper here. And the top loading tag as well. Cute, cute, cute. Last page. So this is the back of that tag. And a pocket here with a tag. And again with a scrap mat. Nice journaling spot. Did some stickles here. And then here, there's an extra page assembly on the inside back cover. So starting off with these flaps. Now here is a swing tab. So opening that up gives you some extra room here. Here is a ribbon pull, so opening it up, giving you some extra picture space. And again with the continuing pattern here, so this is magnetized. And here is another ribbon pull, so opening it up to the other side, and even more room for pictures. So this one opens up both ways. And then here with the extra flap. So there you go. This was the micro album, and let's put it back into its little box. There you go, keeping it closed. And it's so small you can use one hand and then put that lid on top of it. There you go. And we're back. So that was my micro album in a box, guys. Check out the links in the description if you want the tutorial. But you can also just enjoy this idea and try to make one yourself. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Press the like if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you do, which I would appreciate a lot, just press the bell for notifications so you won't miss anything every time I upload something cute. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.